1, 2, go.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we will be doing a speed eating challenge. So basically we will have a lot of bunch of fruits, and we will see who will eat the fastest. So these are the fruits that we need to finish, like cucumber. We have 2 cucumbers. Each of us will get 1 dragon fruit, mango, and we have watermelon and papaya. So half of this would be mine and the other half is for him.
So we're sharing the dragon fruit now. This one for me and this one for her.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Now this one, eh?
I win. First challenge, I win. She's a slow eater.
Your mouth like a machine.
She's a slow eater. Okay? I finished first. So
Okay, he got 1 point.
I got 1 point. Okay, now we gonna eat the mango. So this one for her, this one for me. So here we go.
Ready?
1, 2, go.
Are you eating the skin?
Mm-hmm.
In Philippines, we don't eat, so we remove the skin. What kind of human being are you?
It's obvious I'm gonna win again. Eat fast, I know.
I'm not eating fast.
I won again.
Why one? Why not? Are you not eating the skin? See this one.
The skin is the sweetest.
Hmm?
Oh, I won.
Nah, this thing is set. I don't know if this one a challenge you.
Yeah, I won. I got the second point.
See, look at his plate and look at mine. Difference between man and woman.
Okay, now we're gonna eat the watermelon.
Wait, look at first which one is big.
Is it not the same size? Are you not the one that cut the watermelon? So you see, it's the same size.
Wait.
So if you want to choose, no problem. Alright, 1, 2, go.
I finished, huh? Finish what? It is on, you're still chewing. Me, I swallow it already. So I win 2 and 1.
2-1.
Hey! Do we need to eat the other one? Are you sure?
Why not?
I'm full though.
So now we eat the second watermelon. You see, now, no, you take the big one.
Ah, which
so
one?
you choose the smallest one.
Oh, which way? Your mouth is kind of...
Which your mouth? You count your mouth to eat all of them.
I want this one.
Now she's taking the small one. You see why she finished before me? She chose the small one and gave me the big one. See?
I know, your mouth looks like
She's
a machine.
cheater. Look. Yeah.
Ready? Hey, hey! Which one is it? See this man? Hey?
Because you are the
Look
one
at.
eating the smallest now, so I need
Okay,
to
ready?
go.
Go! Nah, this thing, eh? Not be easy. Oh! You did try. Tutu! I'm full. Hi.
See why? She finished before me because mine is bigger than her. You are cheating, no?
Which cheat? You eat very, eat fast. So just clean up
So now we're gonna eat the papaya.
or pawpaw in Igbo.
No, I will use hand. See the papaya, huh?
Okay, so I will eat this side and the other side is for him. Okay, ready, go. No, this thing is not sweet, eh? So last one is cucumber. Let me see.
I'm gonna eat the cucumber. This one is small. I don't know. They don't have big cucumber here.
Yeah,
I
in
like
Philippines.
the big one.
In Philippines, we have the big ones.
Big cucumber.
But here, we tried to
So
find
very
it in the
small.
market.
So small. I like those big ones like this, no? When you eat that, ooh, yeah. Let's go.
Oh, wait.
You choose already now. We wait for what? One,
Ready?
two, go.
Go. Hey, it's not happy. You like to run me. This one is not good. No, it's not good. Not good. You won already now. You need to finish it.
Finish it. This is competition. You need to finish your own. She's tired. I'm the champion.
Hey. See this one.
So it's the cooking, but finish it. When I was eating my own, did you say? I want to start what I cannot finish. Say boss.
Why did I swallow it again?
You force yourself by eating though. You have choose the small one, the one I want and take the big one.
No, your one is fat.
You choose another. Chop. Finish.
I like to vomit.
Why vomit? You are eating fruits. Why do you want to vomit? Vomit for what?
No, I mean the cooking burn.
Because you know it's part of fruit.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste good.
Why did you buy it? Are you not the one that buy it? Why did you buy it? Now, buy the one that's sweet for you.
It's a challenge.
I just eat whatever I see. Fruit is fruit. So I'm eating. I'm not eating.
2 hours later.
Done.
We're done eating the fruits. See, empty.
Yeah, we're done, and it's not easy.
Finish.
Yeah, and yeah.
So-
What can you say about it?
It's okay. It's part of eating. I enjoy the challenge because it's nice. And I like fruits, so I enjoy the challenge. It's okay. And you, what do you have to say?
I enjoyed the first, fruits, but the first second, but the cucumber, it's like getting the taste is getting into my body, and I don't know if it's really a challenge because you see this man, his mouth. Did you see his mouth? It's like a machine.
Yeah, of course, I need to eat fast.
See,
Men eat faster than women, I guess. So.
this one maybe he just allowed me to win. Maybe he pity me.
No, I
Just
didn't
one
allow
hit.
you to win because you choose the small watermelon. That's why, and you gave me the bigger one. So that's how she was able to get 2 points. So I won her by 4-2. So I pity her and gave her 2 points by choosing the smallest watermelon. So it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So again, I'm Mela, and this is
CJ.
and see you again next time.
Yes, bye.
Bye.